So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Chase not sending verification code, SMS issue, app settings and workarounds. So how to fix Chase not sending verification code? If JP Morgan Chase is not sending a verification code, the issue may occur due to network problems, blocked short code SMS, incorrect phone number or security restrictions on your account. You can fix it by checking your phone signal, updating your number in the Chase mobile, allowing app permission, disabling VPN, using another verification method. So fix one is check for signal. If your phone has weak reception, verification code may not arrive. Check that you have a strong cellular signal. Turn airplane mode on and off to refresh the connection. Restart your phone. Contact your carrier to confirm that short code SMS messages are not blocked. So fix 2 is check for number. Verification code will only be sent to the phone number registered with your account at JP Morgan Chase. Log into the Chase mobile app if possible. Open profile, then personal detail, then phone number. Verify that the correct phone number is selected for security codes. If you cannot log in, contact Chase customer support to update your number. Check SMS blocking or spam filters. Some phones automatically filter or block messages from short codes used by bank. On iPhone, go to settings, messages, turn off filter unknown senders. Check the blocked contact list. On Android, open your messages app, check spam and block messages. Disable any third party SMS filtering app. Fourth one is allow app permission. If important permissions are disabled, the Chase mobile may not work correctly, which can prevent verification code and login approval from functioning properly. In Android, go to settings, then app, then Chase, then permission. Enable SMS, phone and notification. In iPhone, go to settings, then Chase, then turn on notifications. Fifth one is try a different verification method. If the verification code is not arriving by SMS, JP Morgan Chase usually provide alternate ways to confirm your identity during login. Go to the login screen on the Chase mobile or the Chase website. Select the option try another way or use another verification method. Choose an available option such as push notification approval, voice call verification or email code. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete the verification process and access your account. Sixth one is disable VPN or private DNS. Using a VPN or private DNS service can sometimes interface with the security system of Chase, which may prevent the verification code from being sent successfully. Open the setting app on your phone, locate the VPN or network and internet settings, turn VPN off if it is enabled, check the private DNS or secure DNS setting and disable it if it is active. Return to the login screen and request a new verification code through the Chase mobile or the Chase website. Seventh is check carrier restrictions. Some mobile carrier automatically blocks short code SMS message that blank used to send verification code from service like JP Morgan Chase. Contact your mobile carrier and ask them to confirm that short code and verification SMS message are enabled on your phone number so that security code from Chase mobile can be delivered without restrictions. So eighth one is wait if your request too many codes. If you request verification code repeatedly within a short period, JP Morgan Chase may temporarily block new code request for security reason. Wait for 10 to 30 minutes before requesting another verification code and try signing in again through the Chase mobile or the Chase website. Ninth one is update or reinstall the app. Older app versions sometimes cause authentication problem. If the issue continues, uninstall and reinstall the app. In iOS, press and hold the Chase app icon, tap remove app, delete app, then reinstall it from the app store. In Android, press and hold the Chase app icon, tap uninstall, then download it and install it again from the Google Play Store. 10th one is contact Chase support. There may be a security restriction or account issue that require assistance from Chase. Contact support phone to this number. A representative can verify your account and restore SMS services. Thank you.